Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transform your photo into a Cosmic Explorer using Pippit AI for free. Okay, first of all guys, you're going to visit Pippit AI website, then you're going to sign in to get free credits, and then you're going to add your prompt right here. You're going to go to the home menu, and I'm going to use this prompt. Okay, and I'm going to upload my photo. Hold on. I'm still looking for the photo. I'm going to use this one. And then I'm going to submit the photo and also the prompt to the AI. Okay, now the AI is generating my photo. Okay, and this is the result, guys. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can click on regenerate here. And if you want to download, you can click on this menu. Okay guys, and that's how you can turn your photo into a Cosmic Explorer using Pippit AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to try it yourself, you can click Pippit AI join link on my YouTube description and try to create any photo or any video that you want. Okay guys, and that's all from me. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Bye, see you in the next video.